Everyone loves a good braid out, right? I know I do. Let's get started. I'm starting on freshly washed, air-dried hair, which I use a t-shirt to speed up the process. I'm going to begin sectioning my hair with the twist to prep for the braid out. Because my hair is about 90% dry, that will help keep my hair from reverting. And girl, this is a braid out, not a wash and go, and we gotta do whatever it takes to avoid shrinkage. As you can see, I already wrapped them into buns or bantu knots, so starting on the back half, first I'm going to use a leave-in followed by moisturizing cream and then layer it with gel. Make sure you are saturating every strand from roots to end. Gripping your 3 strands, begin to create a cornrow or a French braid. So I'm going to be doing 2 of these at the bottom and 3 at the top. Note, I do not braid all the way to the end. About an inch or a half an inch away, I 2-strand the twist and twirl the hair around my fingers, creating a coil at the end. So when I said saturate the hair, this is exactly what I meant. As you can see, I am sectioning within the section and making sure I get the products at the root as well as down the length of my hair. Because when your hair is naturally curly, also known as natural, girl, you do not have time for dry hair, especially when styling. Dry hair is prone to breakage. Gently use a t-shirt to squeeze out any excess product. Alright, the back is done. Let's move on to the front. I seen Raina, also known as HappyCurlHappyGirl, do 2 cornrows in the front and 2 in the back for her braid out. Of course, her texture is looser than mine, so I only incorporated the 2 cornrows in the front for my braid out. I thought it was a great idea, so why not try it on my 3C4A hair? Almost done. Remember, leave-in conditioner, moisturizing cream, and gel. I applied just a little more gel at the roots where it was needed and covered my hair with a satin scarf. I applied a bit of oil to my hands and then twirled the end around my fingers, giving it a bit of extra moisture as I take out the braids. So let me finish taking the rest out. Stay tuned for the finished look. Oh yeah, can't forget those edges. I mean, unless you prefer to. I'm gonna add a little gel and smooth them out. And separate and fluff to your liking. That's it. Let me tell you, this is one of my favorite braid outs. I hope these tips helped you. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.